wasn't supposed to be like this. Sunday, July 30th, I think. This should be the last day for these tires. What we got up here? Some really fancy kites. Cool. I know one little girl who would have enjoyed seeing that. Wish I'd known. So we'll go gather up Mike here and head into Nova Scotia. The plan is to do a little bit of a shorter loop today. It's a bit shorter, but hopefully I'm still not asking too much of these tires. I'll have to keep an eye on them at every stop, I guess. Alright, so we're off. There's a few clouds in the sky. There's supposed to be a slight chance of a shower later on. Hopefully we can avoid that. As of Friday night, I've had my fill of that stuff. I think the Nighthawk is just starting to dry out now. The whole point of coming this direction was because this road is a little bit funner, but not anymore, it ain't. I don't know cruisers, but I think these guys are even riding the same bike. Whoa, that's a motorcycle plate that starts with a Z. Have we finally reached the end of the Y plates? I like this road because it's not very straight. But I don't like this road right now because it's not very straight and I can't pass all three of these in an easy spot. There we go. Oh, too cool. We haven't quite graduated to a real bike yet. Fuck, even the guys on riding lawnmowers will give you a wave. But not the cruisers. Typically run this loop clockwise through Nova Scotia, but not that it matters, it's fine either way. That's kind of the way I was heading to do it without even thinking about it, but just on the way over here we realized we needed some fuel, so stop for gas, so we're going to reverse the rotation, do it counterclockwise this time. But yeah, stop for gas at $1.95 per liter. This is just getting stupid. Fucking white cars. Clouds getting a little bit bigger and a little bit darker here and there. While stopping to look at my tires, I'm realizing like, oh man, if we do get caught in some rain, I gotta pay attention to that. Like as far as water sipes in my front tire, I have none. Well, rear too, but in the front it's really bad, they're gone. Absolutely no reason why I should be letting my tires go down this low, especially when there's two new ones sitting in my garage, but hey, these are the dumb games we play. road very often, but it's definitely one of the better ones that we ride. Almost into Oxford now. That'll be about another 70 kilometers or so since we got fuel. It's only time for another tire inspection. No matter what the results though, I think this is basically the halfway point of the ride. We're basically heading back towards home one way or another from here on out. Don't even look. I did not need to do that, but he deserved it. If it made him shit his pants just a little bit, that's what I was after. Another case of a car sees a bike behind it and pens it. Wasn't much of a tire inspection at the last stop. I pretty much forgot to look at the front one. Went to grab something to drink and stood around talking for a minute and ended up forgetting all about it. I'm sure it's fine. I usually prefer left-hand turns, but I'm hoping for more right-hand turns today. As usual, the front tire is more worn on the left side. Some more of those darker clouds. No rain yet anyway. Well, we're just about out of Nova Scotia. Just had a quick break. Literally just to look at the tires. Everything still looks fine. It's weird how I can actually see the front one wearing down, getting thinner and thinner, but the rears look the same for quite a while now. Was I supposed to go that way? I can't remember. Oh shit, I was supposed to go that way. That's alright. Recalculating. So back to New Brunswick. Ideally without another fuel stop. Ooh, was that a little speck of rain I seen? Or was it just the bug? There's some dark clouds, but a lot of them don't look like rain, except for over there. That one kind of has that haze underneath it that looks like rain. Yeah, definitely. Hopefully that's not where we're heading. Gotta remember to take this on ramp because I don't even think there is one further up. And I'm positive I've forgotten that before. Oh, we're heading right for it. Hopefully it's heading away from us. At least then if we start to catch it, we can just like stop and take a little break. Wait it out. Alright. Let's see if we stay dry. Yeah, that's some rain, alright. If it were maybe a little more hot and humid, I'd expect to see some lightning coming out of that. It'll be fine, I'm sure it'll be fine. If it's not moving towards us, we are definitely moving towards it. I think I will pull over in Sackville and have a look at the radar. See if we should be holding still for a minute just to let this go by. Maybe stop at the Irving so we have a roof over our heads too. Oh, that looks like some pretty serious rain. Ooh, it's right there. Let's go! I still don't know if it's moving towards us, but it is right on our doorstep. It's close. I just want to pull in for a second and look at the radar, because if we're following it, it's not so bad. We can just take our time and let it go. It's getting close. Looks like it's just gonna graze us. As long as we can get moving in the direction we're going, we should miss most of it. I guess there has to be a wet and a dry line somewhere, but it looks like it's gonna be right through the middle of town this time. Just as clear as anything over here. But there are more of those in the area, so let's see if we can avoid some more. Well, we're still looking at some questionable areas, but I have faith. I have faith that we will make it home dry after as wet and drowned out as I got Friday night. I'd like to believe that my wet riding is all done for this weekend. So another thing that should be all done is this video. So now it's time to go click some buttons and type some words, maybe hit subscribe or go check out the Amazon affiliate link so then maybe I could buy myself some dry clothes. But whatever you choose to do, just come back and check out the next one. Good Lord, will I see 200 kilometers before my fuel light comes on? I don't know if I ever have, even before I put the power commander on. I really stuffed this tank full this time. I have a feeling at 199 it's just going to turn on, just as a big screw you. $200 and rain, oh no! It wasn't supposed to be like this. Please be kind to me, Sky, my tires are bald. Oh no! I seriously have to remember to slow down a bit though, because it's no joke, my tires are bald. 202, it's still no fuel light. I have a feeling we missed some very heavy rain here. We might still find it, but It seems like some heavier stuff just went through. Oh man, I can look over there and see the sun shining. This is not fair. Passing through bits of sunlight here too. It actually would have been nice if this would have happened earlier in the ride. At least then we'd have a chance to dry off before we got home.